Hey guys, we're taking a look at my gel art polish by Beetles. So this is a 6-color set. I have it in some real bright colors. Specifically, this theme is called Color Room. So I start out with a base coat. I like to double up on a base coat as well as the color coat, and same goes for top coat. So I'm just applying my base as you see in the video here. So this nail art set does need to be cured as well. So I have finished my base as well as my colors. I've sped it up real quick here so you can see I've added a little heart just on my pinky there. I'm not super skilled with nail art. And then I go through and just add the color to the tips of my nails, making it kind of a French manicure but colorful. So definitely recommend that if you are new to nail art. However, this is super easy for beginners. The light is sold separately, just FYI, as well as the top and base coat. So I already had these on hand. That is how it looks, completely cured with all my double coats done on it. Super shiny. These are very much a glossy finish. I absolutely love how it turned out. Definitely the colors are very similar to how they look on the bottle. So true to color, definitely recommend these. Check them out.